Winter's coming, and a cold, drafty home is the last thing you want. Winterizing your home keeps you cozy, saves energy, and prevents costly repairs. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 simple steps to prepare your home for freezing temperatures. No fancy tools needed. Let's make your home winter ready. Hit that subscribe button for more home maintenance tips. Step 1. Seal windows with weather stripping. Drafty windows let cold air in and drive up heating bills. Grab some adhesive weather stripping from a hardware store. It's cheap and easy to use. Clean your window frames, then apply the stripping along the edges where the window meets the frame. Press firmly to ensure a tight seal. For extra protection, add caulk against the exterior frames. This step blocks drafts and keeps your home toasty, saving you money all winter. Step 2. Test and service your heater. A faulty heater can leave you freezing or rack up repair costs. Turn on your furnace or heater now before it's freezing and listen for odd noises or a weak airflow. Replace the air filter if it's dirty. A clean filter boosts efficiency. Check your thermostat to ensure it's working. Set it to 68 degrees Fahrenheit for energy savings. For safety, schedule a professional inspection if you suspect issues. A reliable heater is key to a warm winter. Step 3. Insulate exposed pipes. Frozen pipes can burst, causing expensive damage. Find pipes in unheated areas like basements, crawl spaces, or garages. Buy foam pipe insulation tubes, cheap at any hardware store, and cut them to fit over exposed pipes. Secure with tape if needed. For outdoor faucets, use insulated covers or shut off the water supply and drain them. This quick step prevents plumbing disasters and keeps water flowing all winter. Step 4. Clean gutters and check your roof. Clogged gutters can cause ice dams, leading to leaks or roof damage. Grab a ladder, gloves, and a scoop. Then clear leaves and debris from your gutters. Ensure downspouts direct water away from your home. While you're up there, inspect your roof for loose shingles or cracks. Fix small issues now to avoid big repairs. Clean gutters and a solid roof keep your home safe from winter storms. Step 5. Insulate your attic and doors. Heat escapes through the attic and drafty doors, wasting energy. Check if your attic insulation, if it's less than 12 inches thick. Add more fiberglass or foam rolls. For doors, install a draft stopper or sweep at the bottom to block cold air. You can even hang heavy curtains over entryways for extra warmth. These upgrades trap heat, lower your energy bills, and make your home a cozy haven. There you have it, 5 simple steps to winterize your home. You're now ready for a warm, safe, and energy-efficient winter. If this video helped, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY maintenance tips. Drop a comment below. How are you prepping for winter? Or what home fixes do you need help with? Let's keep your home in top shape. See you in the next video.